This one is collar part. Cut 2. You can cut main fabric and same cut 2. You can cut main fabric. This is the back part. Back cut 2, lining cut 2. This is the main part, cut 2, and black one is lining. This is also cut 2. This is the front part. Side front. Front cut 2, lining cut 2. Same. This is the main fabric, cut 2. And this one is lining, also cut 2. This is a back side cut, back cut 2, lining cut 2, same. This is the main part and this is the lining part. This one is last one, front cut 2, lining cut 2. This is the front, same fabric, and this one lining also same fabric, because this is a notch collar style, that's why I am put the facing same fabric. Okay, you can cut same fabric, main fabric and lining fabric should be same. Okay. My cutting is done.